Need to customize how your MCP server's tools appear to different clients without touching the server implementation. You'll see how FastMCP's configuration system lets you transform tool interfaces right from your client setup. The empty tools dictionary in this config is where you define modifications like renaming tools, setting argument defaults, or controlling visibility, all while keeping your server code unchanged and with the ability to filter tools by tags for precise access control. Config equals MCP servers, weather, URL, https://weather example com/mcp, transport, http, tools, hash this is the tool transformation section. This demonstrates the declarative transformation pattern for multi-server tool integration. The MCP JSON configuration standard enables centralized definition of server connections and tool interface customizations through a structured configuration file, creating a clean separation between service implementation and client-facing interfaces. The distinctive aspect is its ability to transform tool schemas, including names, arguments, and metadata, without modifying the underlying server code. The pattern operates by treating tool definitions as malleable contracts rather than fixed implementations. Servers expose their full capabilities, while the configuration layer applies client-specific transformations like argument hiding, default values, or tag-based filtering. This creates a powerful abstraction where the same server can present different interfaces to different clients through configuration alone, with tools automatically namespaced by their originating server. The system supports granular control over each argument's visibility, requirements, and documentation, plus tool-level enablement through tag-based allow listing. This approach solves the problem of rigid API contracts in heterogeneous environments. You maintain a single server implementation while adapting its interface for different clients, whether simplifying for AI integrations, specializing for specific use cases, or enforcing environment-specific restrictions. The configuration becomes the adaptation layer, eliminating the need for client-side wrappers or multiple service versions. The trade-off is additional configuration complexity, but it enables powerful customization scenarios like the documented example, where a weather tool's city argument is defaulted and hidden to create a Miami-specific endpoint. Let's break it down line by line. Config equals. This defines the FastMCP server configuration using a nested dictionary structure. The MCP server's key establishes a multi-server architecture where each server, like weather, gets its own configuration block containing connection details and tool transformations. The empty tools dictionary serves as the transformation pipeline for customizing tool behavior per server. Here you can modify tool properties like name, description, tags for filtering, and argument characteristics including visibility, defaults, and required status, all while maintaining a single server implementation. This enables environment-specific customizations without modifying the core tool implementation. MCP servers defines the MCP server registry, mapping logical names to server configurations. This dictionary structure enables multi-server support with each entry containing connection details and tool customization rules. The empty tools dictionary serves as the transformation pipeline definition point, where you can modify tool metadata like names, descriptions, argument visibility, and defaults. Transformations support tag-based filtering and argument-level customization without altering server implementations. Weather. This defines the weather server configuration within MCP's multi-server architecture. The empty tools dictionary serves as the transformation pipeline for customizing tool interfaces per client, enabling server-specific adjustments to names, descriptions, arguments, and visibility without modifying the server implementation. Transformations support tag-based filtering, argument customization, and tool namespacing by server, allowing environment-specific adaptations while maintaining a single server codebase. URL: https://weather-example.com/mcp. This URL defines the base endpoint for the weather service's MCP server interface. It establishes the network location where FastMCP will direct all weather-related tool requests, serving as the connection anchor between your application and the external service's tool implementation. Transport (HTTP) defines the network protocol for MCP server communication. Using HTTP configures this endpoint to handle standard HTTP/HTTPS requests, enabling res-TFUL interactions with the weather service. This transport specification determines how FastMCP will serialize and transmit tool calls to this particular server. Tools #this is the tool transformation section. This empty tools dictionary serves as the transformation configuration space for this MCP server endpoint. It enables client-specific customization of tool interfaces, like renaming tools, modifying descriptions, setting argument defaults, or controlling visibility without altering the server implementation. The empty state means all tools pass through unchanged, while maintaining the structure for future environment-specific transformations. This empty dictionary establishes the transformation configuration space for the weather server's tools. It defines where you'd customize tool metadata, arguments, and visibility, like renaming tools, modifying descriptions, setting defaults, or hiding sensitive arguments, while keeping the server implementation unchanged. All transformations are scoped to this server instance, enabling environment-specific customizations through configuration alone. This empty dictionary defines where tool transformations would be specified for this server endpoint. Transformations here can customize tool names, descriptions, arguments, and visibility without modifying server-side code, enabling client-specific adaptations like argument defaults or hiding sensitive parameters. The structure supports tag-based filtering and namespacing tools by server, allowing different clients to expose different subsets of the same backend functionality. This closing brace completes the empty tools dictionary within the weather server configuration. This dictionary serves as the transformation layer where you can customize tool behavior per client, including renaming tools, modifying arguments, setting defaults, or filtering by tags, all without changing the server implementation. The empty state indicates no transformations are currently applied, maintaining default behavior while allowing future customization. FastMCP configuration transformation. The tools dictionary in MCP server configuration enables client-side interface customization, allowing you to modify tool metadata, argument schemas, and availability through declarative configuration. Tag-based filtering via include tags lets you expose only specific tool subsets to different clients while maintaining a single server implementation. All transformations and namespacing apply transparently during client initialization without requiring server modifications.
The interface that disappears into configuration becomes every interface needed